Aletha with WTI, and if you love Downton Abbey, you will love this 96-page coloring book. It is one of my favorite coloring books because I love Downton Abbey. This coloring book is full of memorable scenes, and not only is it full of memorable scenes, but it also has those favorite quotes that can only be said by your favorite character. Like this one, for instance, the scene with Violet and Richard. It is so cool. I love it. He says, "I'm leaving in the morning, Lady Graham. I doubt we'll meet again." And she says with that attitude that only Violet has, "Do you promise?" This is a great coloring book. As you can see, I already started coloring some of the pages. I love the way that the sketches are very easy to color. It's very rudimentary, so you can just add your own little flavor to it. This is a great coloring book to have when you just want to sit back with a cup of tea and in the afternoon and don't think about anything and relax with a nice coloring book. So I love this coloring book, 96 pages. My favorite series, Downton Abbey. If you love Downton Abbey, you will really love this coloring book. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.